What if I told you that every second your money sits in a bank, it's losing value? Inflation is eating it alive. Bank failures are on the rise, and financial crises don't come with a warning. In 2008, Lehman Brothers collapsed overnight, taking billions with it. In 2023, Silicon Valley Bank crumbled in days. Here's the hard truth. Your money is not safe in the bank. The real wealthy don't hoard cash in savings accounts. They put it in assets that grow, protect, and multiply wealth. By the end of this video, you'll know the best assets to save your money in. Assets that are safer than any bank account. If you act on this, you'll never fear another financial crash again. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Stocks, your silent wealth builder. Stocks are one of the most powerful tools for long-term wealth creation, offering returns that far outpace traditional savings accounts. While banks provide interest rates that barely keep up with inflation, the stock market has historically delivered an average annual return of around 10%. This means that over time, even modest investments can grow significantly through the power of compounding. For example, if you had invested $10,000 in an S&P 500 index fund in 1990, that investment would have grown to over $200,000 today, far exceeding what a savings account could have provided. The key lies in patience and consistency, as the market tends to rise over the long term despite short-term fluctuations. To maximize your gains, focus on proven strategies like investing in dividend-paying stocks, index funds, and blue-chip companies. Dividend stocks provide passive income, even during market downturns, while index funds offer diversification, reducing risk. Blue-chip stocks, shares of large, financially stable companies, tend to weather economic storms better and provide steady growth. Make your money work for you by investing in quality stocks that can grow your wealth over time. Number 2. Farmland, the billionaire's secret. Farmland is one of the most underrated yet powerful wealth-building assets, and billionaires understand this better than anyone. Unlike stocks that can crash or real estate that fluctuates with the economy, farmland remains a consistently appreciating asset. Why? Because food is a fundamental human necessity, and as global populations rise, the demand for agricultural products will only increase. Between 1990 and 2020, farmland values outperforming many traditional investments, including bonds and savings accounts. While banks have collapsed and stock markets have seen severe downturns, farmland has steadily gained value, proving its resilience as an investment, with food demand set to increase and land being a finite resource. Investing in farmland offers a hedge against inflation and economic downturns while building long-term generational wealth. Number 3. Gold, the ultimate crisis hedge. Gold has been a cornerstone of wealth preservation for centuries, acting as a safe haven during economic crises, inflation, and currency devaluation. Unlike paper money, which can lose its value due to government policies or financial instability, gold maintains its worth because of its scarcity and universal demand. The world's richest families understand this well, which is why they always hold gold as a hedge against financial uncertainty. To invest wisely in gold, go beyond just buying jewelry, which carries high making charges and resale value fluctuations. Instead, consider physical gold bars and coins for direct ownership, or invest in gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that track gold prices without the need for storage. By incorporating gold into your investment portfolio, you create a financial safety net that protects your wealth against inflation, economic crashes, and currency devaluation. Number 4. Real estate. Banks collapse. Land doesn't. Real estate has long been one of the most reliable ways to build and preserve wealth, and history proves why the rich consistently invest in it. One of the biggest advantages of real estate is its ability to generate passive income through rental properties. A perfect example of real estate's power is how property values have surged over the decades. A $100,000 home in 1980 is now worth over $1 million in many major U.S. cities, showcasing how real estate appreciates far beyond inflation. This long-term appreciation combined with rental income makes real estate one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available. By strategically investing in real estate, you not only protect your wealth from inflation, but also create long-term financial security. Number 5. Private businesses. Your ticket to financial freedom. Owning a private business is one of the fastest ways to build wealth and gain financial independence. Unlike a salary, which is limited by hours worked, a business allows you to scale your income exponentially. When you own a business, you not only generate active income from sales, but also create an asset that appreciates in value. The best part? A successful business can continue to grow and generate profits even when you're not actively working. Just like the early investors in Amazon or Tesla, who saw their initial investments grow by 100x or more. Owning a private business puts you on the path to true financial freedom, where your income isn't capped by an employer and your wealth grows on your terms. Number 6. Cryptocurrencies, digital gold for the future. Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, have emerged as one of the most revolutionary financial assets in modern history. Unlike traditional money controlled by banks and governments, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning no single authority can manipulate it. This was the core reason behind its creation after the 2008 financial crisis, to provide an alternative to the traditional banking system, which had failed millions of people. To build a resilient investment portfolio, experts recommend holding at least 5% of your wealth in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed in unlimited supply, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, making it a deflationary asset. This scarcity drives demand, especially during financial crises when trust in traditional systems weakens. While cryptocurrencies are still evolving, their potential to reshape finance is undeniable, making them an asset class that the wealthy are strategically adding to their portfolios. Number 7. Life insurance, the wealth protection secret. Most people think of life insurance as just a safety net for their family, but the wealthy use it as a powerful financial tool. Life insurance isn't just about providing for your loved ones after you're gone. It's about building, protecting, and transferring wealth efficiently. High net worth individuals leverage permanent life insurance policies, such as whole life or indexed universal life, to grow their money tax-free, borrow against it, and pass it down to future generations without the burden of heavy taxes. These policies accumulate cash value over time, acting as a private bank that you can tap into while you're still alive. Unlike traditional savings accounts that earn minimal interest, life insurance policies can provide steady, risk-free returns while ensuring financial security. The ultra-rich use strategies like infinite banking, where they borrow against their policy's cash value to invest in businesses, real estate, or other income-generating assets, without selling off their investments. This way, their wealth continues to compound while they access liquidity when needed. Even if you're not ultra-wealthy, securing a life insurance policy early can provide financial stability, tax advantages, and a guaranteed legacy for your heirs. Number 8. Silver, the undervalued asset with huge potential. Gold gets all the attention, but silver is the hidden gem. It's used in solar panels, batteries, and medical devices, making it essential for the future. In 2020, silver was priced at $18 per ounce. By 2023, over $25 per ounce. The demand is rising, and experts predict silver could double or triple in price in the coming years. Start accumulating silver coins, bars, or silver ETFs. Now you know. Saving money in a bank is the worst financial decision. In conclusion, move at least 50% of your savings into these assets. Start small. Buy a little gold, silver, dividend stocks, or farmland. Stop letting banks hold your future hostage. Take control today. I believe in sharing knowledge that transforms lives. If this resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.